Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Are they holding it? Never mind. He still got it. What's going on over there? About to see what's going on. Oh my God. I was not getting in that. These tweets. Nah, he need to come back. Oh, shoot. Nah, he didn't. I moved out the way.
Yo. You tell your brother?
I don't know where he at.
Earlier.
Everything happening over here, bro. I'm staying over here.
I didn't want to be in front of any cars. Like my shit.
Ah, that just ring in my ears. I'm staying over here.
That's my old Jeep.
This is your Jeep?
That's my old Jeep. Johnny L. I traded it to him for a Civic. But yeah, this is my old Jeep. You remember this shit?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm about to tell him to do another burnout.
Who, this nigga?
Yes, he was the one. I just tripped. Yo, it's mad dark. This dude.
Oh yeah, that shit's toast. Yo, Connor, you need a tire like tonight. That was the one that was dying.
Doing it crazy. I gotta turn my flash on.
Tristan, look at that.
I like bikes. I like bikes. That's a hot species. That's it.
All that noise. Yo, was that a booster?
Yeah.
That shit's slow. What? Yeah, bro. I'm talking though, bro. I didn't care.
Sure. And we gotta go to a different location. Look at them. They over there. We out there, so. I'm not gonna lie, I can't. I'm rolling on slap shift, so I can't record. But I'll hit you guys when I get back to the other spot. We're going to a different spot. Shouldn't take long. We back. Different location. I'm saying people out of race. Woo! That shit was fire.
Oh, there we go.
Different.
I just did one. Oh, Chuck.
Is that your phone?
Yeah, put that right in your mouth.
Tire mark's crazy. Look at the cops.
I can't get the dozen.
Is that where he died?
Get on my bike.
Oh, here you come on. That boy's on his way. He's on his wazers. Oh, he getting them niggas.
And I have the same order as him. Yeah.
turn my flash on.
The thing. We're gonna go back up and come back down.
They going back up and back down. They turning around, hitting a squirrely round. My fault, gang. Bit fatty. My camera blurry. Hold on. That's fire. That's something different. I never seen that. That bitch is fatty. Where they at? Is that them? Oh my God, it's screaming. What was that? It's a kitty cat! Kitty cat. Gotta know how to pop money more like Monopoly. Where was the race? I'm confusers. There was no race. Okie dokie. Cool with that, I guess. Shoot. Tree branch. Fatty. Bob Johnson Chevrolet. Oh, that cute tub. Yo, this Civic right here, loud as shit. This junk is mad loud. Fatty. Ain't nothing going on. Might have to skedaddlesies. Might leave, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Depends if anything happens right now, but it ain't looking too good. See you in a minute. What's up? Just installed my brake light, rear diffuser. First try. Let's see if I got it. I don't even know. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is the most annoying thing ever. But let's see if I did it. Did it. Yes, sir. First try. She looking nice. Got a spoiler on it with the M caps. You know what I'm saying? She looked nice. Yes, sir. I did it. Y'all see the exhaust? Did that too. cousin. Y'all seen the video. That's it for this video, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one.